Hello, Kuya Bani. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Bani. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. This birthday of yours is a milestone because you have already reached 70 years old. So much to be thankful for all the many graces and blessings the Lord has given you. We wish you all the best, and may you have more birthdays to come and more blessings. Good health always. God bless. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Bani.
Hello! Happy 70th birthday, Uncle. 70 looks good on you, especially from far away. You're officially vintage, classic, rare, and occasionally creaky. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I decree and I declare long satisfied life, and may the Lord our God grant the deepest desire of your heart, and God bless you always. I love you and I miss you.
Hey Uncle, happy 70th birthday po to you. Hiling ko lang po sa may kapal na bigyan pa po kayo ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan. More blessings to come. And always take care. God bless.
Happy 70th birthday, Lolo Bani. God bless you and we love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tay. We love you. Ingat kayo dyan lagi.
Hello, Uncle Ninong. Happy birthday. I pray for your happiness and good health. May this year bring you peace, clarity, and contentment. I also pray for your entire family, especially to Auntie Ninang and to all of your children. See you soon in Sydney, Australia. Malay mo, magbakasyon kayo. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Happy birthday. Tagay na!
Birthday hand. Happy birthday.
Bye.